Well, welcome back. We take a look at your State Fair forecast, and it is going to be another rough one. 84 at 10 a.m. already on the warm side, and get used to it. Get ready for it. 93 by 1, and still probably going to be sitting at around 94 at 7 o'clock. Now, we were out and about there yesterday, as we have been, throughout the duration of the fair, but we were talking to people yesterday, and we heard reports that they'd already had about 7, 8 calls by 11:30. to try to help some people dealing with the heat. So just make sure if you're headed out that you're ready to drink a lot of water and duck inside those buildings. It's amazing what just stepping inside that AC for 10 minutes can do. So just be careful. Now, we turn our attention to the Husker game on Saturday because the heat isn't going anywhere. Now, kickoff's at 7. Still going to be 93 degrees. So take into the account that during the afternoon hours, if you're out tailgating, it's going to be about 97, probably feeling about 100. Be careful. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water and during the game. Now, again, thankfully, it's a 7 o'clock kickoff, so as we progress through the game, at least it will cool down a little bit, but just kind of be ready. It's going to be Sunday where we see the relief build into the Midwest. Current temperatures out there this morning, upper 60s to low 70s, and as we look at your future temp forecast, well, we're climbing back into the upper 90s. We actually saw temperatures come down a little bit yesterday. Most of us were in the low to mid 90s. And today we bump right back up. We can see triple digits to the southwest. Now overnight tonight, most of us will stay upper 60s to low 70s again. And then tomorrow, how about we bring in some triple digit heat even here into the Tri-Cities. It is going to be probably the hottest day that we've seen yet of this stretch of weather. And as I said, Saturday still looks pretty warm. Sunday should be cooler. So why is it so warm? Been talking about it all week long. Notice here in the Midwest, the central part of the country, there's hardly even any cloud cover to be found. We had that real subtle disturbance yesterday that tried to bring us some high mid-level clouds, just kind of drifting through. But overall, we continue to be stuck under this very large and expansive ridge of high pressure. Now, here's the good news. By Sunday, we see a trough developing up here through the Great Lakes. We're going to see a little bit of relief. Although temperatures will still be a little bit above average, it's going to be better than what it has been. We go from upper 90s to upper 80s. Just a little bit of high cloud cover out there this morning. That should kind of move out of the region. I think we'll see plenty of sunshine today, and again, the heat is going to be on. That frontal boundary up here to the north, that doesn't come through until Saturday evening, so it's going to stay to the north the next couple of days, and that means the heat builds in again tomorrow. Isolated chances for storms up to the northwest tomorrow evening. So 97 for today in the Tri-Cities. We see 69 tonight, and very well could crack that 100-degree mark tomorrow at 101. 102 in McCook today, 94 in Albion. We'll see lows tonight dropping into the 60s and 70s, just like we've seen the last several nights. And then back into the triple digits for many of us, 105 out in Imperial, 101 in Kearney. Still 97 on Saturday, but how about 87 Sunday and 86 for Labor Day? It's going to feel so much better. Then we start to creep back up, low 90s Tuesday and Wednesday. Now, storm chances probably best Saturday evening into Saturday night. We'll keep an eye on that. But most importantly, I think for most of you, we will eventually cool off. It's just not going to be today, tomorrow, or Saturday. Okay?
In the
Just
near
bear with
future.
it. No, we got 3 days to make it through.
Thank goodness for, like you keep saying, all the buildings at the fair with the air conditioning.
They got some great exhibits in there.
They
just
do.
Duck in, check them out for 10, 15 minutes. You can head right back out. You're nice and refreshed.
And so many nice volunteers. We met so many nice people yesterday.
They were fantastic. There's some great people out there.
There are. All right, let's take a look at your morning sports.